Hey you guys, Victor here, and today we'll be watching the new, sadly, trailer for Sonic Boom. But not your regular Sonic Boom. Sonic Boom already came out. Sonic Boom Shadow Crystals, Sonic Boom, and Sonic Boom Shadow Crystal, and Sonic Boom something. I don't remember the names right now, but the Shadow Crystal and the other ones. Shadow Crystal, I'm just gonna call it the Wii U version and the 3DS version. For me, my favorite. Oh, this is my own opinion, not like nobody's else's opinion. This is my opinion. So yes, as you can see here, we're in hobbyconsoles.com, but that's in Spanish. So if you speak Spanish and you just wanna come in here and get some studies, which get some more detail on which video you're subject, go to Hobby Console. It's not sponsored, believe me. Alright, so yes, so yeah, the Wii U version wasn't like a big hit. Well, it wasn't even a hit. For me, it sucked a lot. I didn't like it at all. Well, it is my own opinion. There were some parts that were good, some parts that were extremely bad and glitchy. There were other parts who were extremely polished, and I think that Sega polished some parts more than the others. Well, on the 3DS version, everything was more equal, and now they're making a sequel. Well, it's kind of like, it's not a sequel, because the name doesn't have to do with the same thing, because it's like, let me lower it, like, you just forget it. Yeah, let's lower this a little bit down. Probably I won't upload this. Yes, I will. Alright, so yes. The 3DS version gave lots of good stuff, good reviews. Well, not good reviews. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't good. It didn't have glitches. Well, I suffered a few glitches on the 3DS version. And on the Wii U version, I didn't suffer as much. I mean, I suffered more on the Wii U version, a lot more in the Wii U version. But, like, the demo is also very glitchy. Like, I downloaded the demo. I wanted to wait for the demo before, if you're planning, like, to buy the game, the Wii U version or the 3DS version, buy the demo, download the demo first, because it's going to be so much worth it. Like, when I was playing the Wii U version, it sucked. In the demo, not even the full version. I know, like, the demo is like something that comes before the full version, but the full game came after the demo. I mean, the demo came after the full game, if you know what I mean. Oh yeah. So, if like you wanna download this, you wanna buy or play this game, I recommend to you guys, the guys that are watching, to please get the demo. I don't want you guys to be disappointed. This is just a warning. But the graphics aren't that bad. In some parts, the graphics are kind of better. Because they're not bad. The graphics are not bad at all. They're pretty good and not bad. Not bad at all. So, alright, let's watch the video so we can speculate and lots of stuff. Now that we've talked about the 3DS version and the Wii U version. So let's see right now. Now, I think the video is starting. I haven't watched this, so let's see.
Tails? What's going on?
Alright, something went wrong. Something went terribly wrong. Alright, so you can watch the trailer yourself. Let me see this one. Sorry for the delay there, and I'm gonna open it on YouTube. Yes, so yeah, I know I don't have battery. This absolute burning flames. Really, really. All right, thank God. Let's watch it. No, so big. Right.
Tails? What's going on? That's what I'm talking about.
Alright, so before the video, alright, so we've already watched that. This also uploaded by Nintendo. Good, good. I didn't know Nintendo had a YouTube channel. Sorry for that. Alright, so let's watch the entire video again. But let's see what are the difference and the speculations that what it's gonna be good. So, obviously, developed by Sega. What do you get? I don't know what the hell means. If you mix fire with ice, that's a weird concept. Because when you mix fire and ice, you make water.
Tails? What's going on?
What I don't like is probably the cutscenes won't look like that. The cutscenes will probably don't look like that. Those look like the cutscenes from the TV show. And we're not talking about the TV show, because the TV show is the best thing from the Sonic Boom series. So you can see that robot right there. The one with the big head. It's, well, you didn't see that on the other version. You see a few robots around the ice. You see that the lower screen has changed. There's this part up here, the green on the top right left corner, top right corner. There's like a little punching thing that says 8. And below, we can see you can change from ice and fire. You can change into Amy, Tails, Knuckles, and Sticks. You can play with fire, which is dangerous. Sticks can play with fire. Play with ice. You can see in that part, when there's like ice and you run fire, the ice melts. And if you run on ice, there's no more. If you run on fire when you're on ice, it changes, it melts it, and these 5 characters, Sonic is always Tails, Knuckles is sprite had changed because when he's drilling to the hole, when the other one was red and now it's blue. So because he's using the water ability. So the character Amy wasn't playable easily. Oh wait, something that was kind of weird. That's it. Amy walked on a part that showed hammers. I can't go back, but a part that showed hammers. And in this part, we can see on the back side, there's like an egg mix.
I got one more trick up my sleeve.
They had that on the Wii version, but the Wii version didn't play as much. Oh, so yeah. Oh, big change. No, tablet, dumb tablet. This version is coming, sorry, that's a little bit blonde. A little bit more black. This version is made by Sansaru Inc. Games Inc. Sansaru. Sorry, I can pronounce that right. Games.Inc. by Sega. Alright, so that's the end of the video. And for Nintendo 3DS, they said this is coming soon. We don't know the date, so tell me in the comments below if you're excited for this game, and see you later, guys.